Hello and welcome. This instructional video will show you step by step how to use the sleep globe of your Baby Mood Pro. You can manually control the sleep globe light with a gentle tap. To manually switch on the sleep globe, gently tap on the sleep globe and it will illuminate. To change the colors of the sleep globe, gently tap the sleep globe again to choose the desired color between 8 choices. To switch off the sleep globe, gently long tap the sleep globe until the lights turn off. The mood light feature gives a soft glow light with 8 colors of choice for soothing your baby or combining with different lullabies to work as a sleep trainer. The function can be remotely controlled by the parent unit at viewing mode. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right buttons until the sleep globe icon is highlighted. Press OK button to confirm, then press the left or right button to select the desired light color. The mood light brightness can be adjusted up to 8 levels. The function can be controlled remotely via the parent unit. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right arrow buttons until the sleep globe settings icon is highlighted. Press the up or down buttons until the brightness icon is highlighted. Press OK, then the left or right buttons to select the desired brightness. The sleep globe speaker volume can be adjusted up to 3 levels. Press the menu button and the menu bar will pop up. Press the left or right buttons until the sleep globe setting icons is highlighted. Press the up or down buttons until the speaker icon is highlighted. Press OK, then the left or right buttons to select the speaker volume. Open the Chillax Care app and select the Baby Mood Pro camera. Select the sleep globe icon at the bottom right. The event page will open. From this page, you can select the color and brightness of the sleep globe as well as configuring the sleeping control. To configure the sleeping schedule, enable the sleeping control. You can then set up the sleeping and rising schedule by selecting the time, color, lullaby, and volume of your choice for both schedule. If you have additional questions, please visit chillaxcare.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching.